Ayun, what's up? Sana All TV at New Zealand. Syempre, proud Pinoy, pusong Pinoy. So, ayun, may job hirings ulit papunta dito sa New Zealand. Makinig ka, master, baka para sa inyo ang job opportunity na ito. So, ayun, ang JD Placement Agency Incorporation ay nangangailangan ng mga vehicle recovery operator. So, mayroon siyang 20 vacancies at pwede kayong mag-apply hanggang May 19, 2024. At ang kagandahan nito, may salary offer ito na 30.10 New Zealand dollar per hour. Oh, tama ang narinig mo, master. Bound to New Zealand ang job hiring na ito ng JD Placement Agency Incorporation bilang isang vehicle recovery operator. So, ang qualifications niya is a 3-year verifiable working experience is required. Candidates must be at a vocational diploma, short course certificate holder or other similar field. So, experience in the same fields, high school graduates are welcome to apply. So, ang employer niya dito sa New Zealand is Need for Skills International and National Recruitment. So, this job has no placement fee. So, ayun, ang JD placement fee mga master, matatagpuan ito sa 501 Donna Felisa Sikoho Building, Remedios Street, Corner Taft Avenue, Malate, Manila, Philippines. So, ayun, pwede kayong mag-email sa info@jd.com. So, ayun, kung malapit lang kayo sa area, pumunta na kayo. Baka para sa inyo ang job opportunity na ito. I-share nyo ito sa mga kakilala nyo na may experience bilang isang vehicle recovery operator. So, ayun,